In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Notion page to another workspace. Open Notion and start from your main dashboard, assuming you're already signed in. From here, look over to the left sidebar and find the page you want to copy. In this example, click Weekly Team Meeting to open it. Once the page is on screen, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the page options. In the drop-down, choose Move To. Even though it says Move, Notion will let you duplicate the page into another workspace during this process, so that's the option you want. A panel will appear. At the bottom of that panel, click the Workspace name dropdown. This is where you choose the other workspace you want to send the page to. Select Personal Projects, or whichever second workspace you use on your account. After that, choose where the page should go inside that workspace. You can place it under a specific destination page if you want to keep things organized, or just leave it at the top level if that works better for you. Now click I understand, duplicate to confirm the copy. If that confirmation looks a little different on your screen, just continue through the same process and approve the duplicate. The important part is that Notion creates a copy in the other workspace. Once that's done, click your current workspace name at the top of the left sidebar. This opens your list of available workspaces. Choose Personal Projects from the list to switch over. When the new workspace loads, look in the left sidebar and find Weekly Team Meeting. Click it and quickly verify that the content came over correctly. You should see the same page content copied into this workspace. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the full process. If you ever need to move private work into a team workspace or copy something from a team workspace into another workspace under your account, you'll follow this same flow. Open the page, use the three-dot menu, choose Move To, select the target workspace, and confirm the duplicate. Once finished, the copy page will appear inside the workspace you selected, and you can access it from that account view anytime you switch into it. This is a simple way to reorganize pages without rebuilding them from scratch. Go ahead and try it on your end. And that's basically it. You've successfully copied a Notion page to another workspace. Congratulations!